With the holidays just around the corner, count on Downtown Produce for quality products that won't break your shopping budget. Holidays are all about family, friends, and togetherness. What better way to show you care than by giving the perfect gift? Like a Downtown Produce gift basket. Spice up your holiday celebration with one of our famous party trays. What's a holiday party without beer and wine? Can't decide? Grab a Downtown Produce gift card. Give the gift of quality with Downtown Produce this holiday season.